Coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are formed of colonies of coral polyp held together by calcium carbonate. Most coral reefs are built from stony corals, whose polyp cluster in groups. Benthic marine communities are composed of a diversity of species belonging to different taxa that live in association with the sea bottom. This study gives us the insight of benthic communities that live in the reef area, as benthic communities are important to marine organisms for food source. This is my study area, Pulau Bidong, with two different sites at Pantai Pasir Cina and Pantai Pasir Pegalan. The sampling date are on 30 September to 3 October 2019. We have 3 transects with different depth. First depth is shallow depth, less than 4 meter, middle depth 4 to 7 meter, and the deep is more than 7 meter. Photocorrect method is a way using quadrat and photograph to get the benthic picture before analyzing. With the increasing of technologies nowadays, photoquadrat has been used widely in the world. In a 100-meter transect line, there will be 4 segments. Each segment will have 5 pictures of quadrat and there will be 20 pictures for each transect. The size of quadrat that has been used is 0.5 meter length and 0.5 meter wide. These are some quadrat photos that were taken during the sampling. The quadrat were placed above the benthic before the photo were taken. All the images will be analyzed using online software CoralNet. The abundance of benthic can be produced from this software. This is the result that been obtained. First graph for Pantai Pasir Cina and second graph for Pantai Pasir Pegalan. This graph shows the abundance between depth in both sides of study area. The left graph shows percentage abundance of live coral and other benthic communities that was differentiated by depth in PPC. There are 4 major categories shown in the graph with 3 different depths for each categories. The first major category shows that hard coral in the depth of more than 7 meters has a higher abundance compared to middle and shallow depth. The second major category holds the highest abundance of all. Other category with middle depth has the highest abundance in abiotic with more than 50% cover. The other graph shows the average percentage of live coral coverage and other benthic communities that been differentiated by depth in PPP. The highest major category is abiotic. All depth has more than 50% coverage for the abiotic category. Hard coral in PPP immerses in the shallow area and decreasing throughout the deeper area. Moreover, algae and abiotic category also abundance in PPP. The next graph is the result abundance for both areas. The abundance of 4 major benthic communities, hard coral, abiotic, algae and others, has been recorded at 2 different sites, PPC and PPP. A total of 130 photos were taken during the sampling. First major category represents hard coral or live coral cover. Second major category is abiotic. The third is algae and the fourth is others. The next graph is the result abundance for both areas. The abundance of abiotic high are mainly caused by public storm that hit South China Sea early of the year. This storm caused a lot of damage in its passage. Based on the index of coral reef health, both sides are in fair condition. Aquapora are the most abundant coral genera that colonize the area. This is because Malaysia water are included in the Indo-Pacific region. A lot of aquapora can be found in the study area, such as stable coral, staghorn coral, eghorn coral. Coral reefs are one of the most diverse benthic marine communities that live, but threat to this reef might destroy these beautiful living creatures. Tropical storm Pabo has given tremendous effect with physical disturbance along its passage at South China Sea. Overall, the storm gives an impact on both sides that caused the abiotic high in percent covers more than others threat.